You can see the birds all taking turns eating the food. There's a 3-tier pecking order.
I see that.
They start at the top, then they go to the next level, and then they go to the roof, and then they go to the birdhouse. And then the ones at the very bottom are the bottom feeders. It's probably hard to see the birds at the bottom with this iPod video, but there's like a whole bunch of birds eating the bird seed that falls on the ground. But they're like in a feeding frenzy. And then there's also other clusters of birds feeding that are hard to also see with this thing because the lens isn't very good. It's also funny how whole groups of them will like take turns. You know, they just kind of jump in.
It kind of looks like parents and babies.
Yeah, there's little baby ones, big fat ones. It's just funny how they all suddenly swoop up, and then another one, you know, the ones from the wire come down, and then top wire goes down to the bottom wire. I really wish this camera could capture all those birds down there at the bottom, because there's a lot of them. It's pretty fascinating though.